Hello and welcome to our channel. Today you are going to explore something very exciting and very helpful. Can you learn English while sleeping? Many people ask this question, is it real? Does it work? In this video, we will talk about the science behind learning English during sleep. We will also share helpful tips, how your brain works while you sleep, and how you can use this method to improve your English. Just relax, listen, and allow your mind to learn. Even if you are not fully awake, your brain is listening, your brain is learning. So, let's begin. What happens when you sleep? The science behind it. When you sleep, your body rests, but your brain stays active. Yes, your brain does not stop. In fact, sleep is the time when your brain starts its most important work. It organizes memories, repairs cells, and saves information you learned during the day. This is called memory consolidation. It means your brain moves short-term memory into long-term memory. So if you studied English words in the day, your brain will try to keep those words during the night. Your sleep has different stages. The first stage is light sleep. In this stage, your brain can still hear sounds. Then comes deep sleep. After that, you enter REM sleep. This is the stage when dreams happen. During REM sleep, your brain is very active. It works hard to solve problems and connect ideas. Science shows that during light sleep and REM sleep, your brain is more open to hearing and keeping new sounds. That's why listening to English audio during these times can help. You may not be fully awake, but your mind is working in the background. This is why many people believe in learning English while sleeping. But remember, this is not magic. You will not become fluent in one night. However, with time and regular practice, you will start to remember more and understand better. How learning during sleep works, explained simply. Let's understand how it works. When you're awake, you hear English, repeat, and try to understand. When you sleep, your ears still hear. The sound enters your brain. Even if your eyes are closed, your mind can still record the words. This is called passive learning. You are not trying hard, but your brain is receiving and keeping information. Many studies show that people who listen to new languages during sleep remember more the next day. This is because of the brain's memory system. Your brain stores long-term memories during sleep. So, if you give your brain something to remember, like English words or phrases, it will try to keep them. Best tips to learn English while sleeping. Let us now share some simple and helpful tips for learning English while you sleep. Tip 1. Use repetition audio. Use English audio that repeats. For example, simple English sentences with translations or basic phrases like, "How are you?" "I am fine." When these are repeated many times, your brain remembers better. Tip 2. Play audio at low volume. Do not play audio too loud. Your sleep should not be disturbed. Keep the volume soft. Your brain can hear even soft sounds during sleep. Tip 3. Sleep at the same time. Try to sleep at the same time every night. A regular sleep routine helps your brain learn better. When your brain knows it is sleep time, it becomes ready for learning in the background. Tip 4. Choose simple content. In the beginning, use easy English, simple phrases, basic grammar, easy vocabulary. Your brain can learn small things better at night. Tip 5. Repeat the same audio for many days. If you hear the same phrases every night for 1 week, you will start to remember them. Repetition helps your memory grow stronger. How to prepare before sleeping. Easy routine. Before going to bed, get ready to learn. Wash your face, relax your body, and make your mind calm. Do not use your phone too much. Try to sleep in a quiet place. Then play your English audio or video. Let it play while you sleep. You can use a sleep timer or let it run all night. If you use earphones, use soft ones. Or you can play it on a small speaker near your bed. While you sleep, your brain will listen and start to remember. You will not see results in one day, but after 1 week, 2 weeks, or 1 month, You will start to feel the change. You will understand more English. You will feel more confident. What to listen while sleeping. English learning content ideas. Here are some good ideas for what to listen to. Daily English conversations, like what time is it? Where is the bus stop? Vocabulary with translation, like apple, chair. Shadowing technique audio, repeat after the speaker. Easy grammar explanation, motivational English with simple language, positive affirmations in English. These kinds of content are soft, useful, and easy to remember. Your brain likes simple and calm sounds during sleep. Shadowing technique and sleep learning, a good combination. Do you know about the shadowing technique? It means listening and repeating. You can use this in the day. Then, at night, listen to the same audio again. This helps you remember better. In the day, speak and repeat. At night, sleep and listen. Together, this makes learning powerful. This is a smart way to improve your English faster. English phrases to sleep with, practice section. Now, let us listen to some simple English phrases. These are good to listen to while sleeping. You can play this part every night. I am learning English. My English is getting better every day. I speak English with confidence. I enjoy learning new words. English is easy for me. I remember English words easily. I listen, I understand, I speak. My brain loves English. I am happy to learn English. English helps me grow. These positive sentences are called affirmations. They train your brain to feel good about learning English. You can repeat them or just listen. What science says, real research. In many studies, scientists found that when people hear foreign words while sleeping, they remember them better later. For example, in one study, people heard new vocabulary in a new language during their sleep. After waking up, they remembered those words better than people who did not listen during sleep. So yes, the science supports it, but remember, this method helps with other learning methods. Sleep learning alone is not enough. It supports your daily practice. It gives you extra power. Do's and don'ts of learning English while sleeping. Do. Use soft English audio. Use short and easy lessons. Be consistent every night. Keep a regular sleep time. Don't use difficult English books during sleep. Don't disturb your sleep with loud sounds. Don't use this as the only way to learn. Sleep learning is like a helper. You still need to speak, write, and practice in the day. Final thoughts. Build a daily routine. Here is a daily English learning routine for you. Morning, listen to short English conversation. Daytime, practice speaking, reading, or writing. Evening, watch English videos or do shadowing. Night, sleep while listening to simple English audio. This way, you are learning all day, even when you sleep. Your mind is always working for you. You just need to help it. Keep learning, even while sleeping. Thank you for listening. You are doing something amazing. You are learning English, and now you are even learning while you sleep. That is powerful. Keep doing it every night. Play this video. Let your brain listen. Let your brain grow. Every word, every phrase, every sentence is helping you. You are improving every day. So sleep well, learn well, and speak English with confidence. See you in the next video. Good night and happy learning.